Everyone jokes that every problem in Naruto gets solved with Hashirama Cells. Need regeneration? Hashirama Cells? Need wood release? Hashirama Cells? Need to survive impossible injuries? Hashirama Cells. But almost nobody asks the real question. Why only Hashirama? Why didn't Orochimaru spend decades hunting Tsunade's cells, or Tobirama's, or any other Senju? The answer is hidden inside Hashirama's biology. People often assume Hashirama was powerful because he mastered wood release. But that's backwards. Hashirama didn't become special because of wood release. His wood release was special because of Hashirama. Every Senju inherited strong life force and large chakra reserves. But Hashirama was an anomaly, even among the Senju. His body naturally possessed extraordinary vitality, rapid healing, and incredibly powerful yang release. His wounds recovered at a speed that no ordinary shinobi could match. His chakra wasn't just larger, his cells themselves were uniquely resilient. That's why no other Senju, not even Tsunade, became the source of world-changing experiments. After Hashirama died, his body became more valuable than almost any living ninja. Orochimaru understood something everyone else missed. If Hashirama's cells could be transplanted, then his biological abilities might be transferred too. So he kidnapped children and experimented for years. Most of them died, only one survived, Yamato. People call Yamato lucky. He wasn't lucky. He was the only known success from a long series of deadly experiments. That alone tells you how dangerous Hashirama's cells really were. But here's what most fans miss. Hashirama's cells don't simply give power, they fight for control. Look at Danzo. He had to keep his right arm wrapped and sealed because the implanted Hashirama tissue constantly grew and became harder to control. Without suppression, it threatened to overwhelm his body. Then there's Obito. After being crushed beneath a boulder, Madara reconstructed much of his damaged body using Hashirama's tissue. That regenerative tissue is what allowed Obito to survive injuries that should have killed him. Even Madara, the strongest Uchiha in history, eventually implanted Hashirama's flesh into his own body. Not for a temporary power boost, but because only Hashirama's unique chakra and biology could eventually awaken the Rinnegan when combined with Madara's eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. When the strongest shinobi alive still needed another man's cells, that tells you everything. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. Hashirama died decades before Naruto was even born, yet his cells shaped nearly every major conflict in the modern shinobi world. Yamato's wood release, Danzo's Sharingan arm, Obito's survival, Madara's Rinnegan. Even the White Zetsu Army became intertwined with Hashirama's cells through Madara's experiments. Again and again, the story keeps returning to the same man. Not because the writers forgot how to create new powers, but because Hashirama represented a once-in-history biological anomaly. His body couldn't be recreated, it could only be stolen. People say Hashirama's greatest weapon was wood release. It wasn't. His greatest weapon was his own body. Long after the first Hokage died, everyone was still fighting over pieces of him. Because Hashirama didn't just leave behind a legacy, he left behind the most valuable biology in the history of the ninja world.